Good morning, children. Life is better when you smile. Yes, quote of the day. ज़िंदगी बहुत अच्छी है जब मैं आप सबको हंसते मुस्कुराते हुए देखूंगी। हमेशा हंसिए, बहुत मुस्कुराइए और खुशियाँ बांटिए। Life is always better when you smile. So good morning. Yesterday we have done a chapter in good taste. We were doing this chapter in the class and I told you about food, about desserts, cuisines we discussed, right? So in good taste today we will do a little recap and will continue our exercises. So I hope everybody is doing fine, sitting with pencil and GK book, and let's start the chapter in good taste about food, about good food. Yes. So children, yesterday we did this exercise A, the Spanish dish. Remember, I told you the Spanish dish paella, which means paella means frying pan. So made up of rice. The correct answer is rice. Which animal's meat is called venison? Deer. I told you the reason why. Please see the slide and you will come to know. Which ingredient do bakers use to make the bread rise? Yeast. Yeast is the answer. The name of the bird is a common dish in France. Duck. Sponge, marble and bundt are types of which food items? The answer is cakes. आप लोग सब अभी चेक कर सकते हैं while I am discussing, or you can see my yesterday video also. Which bread is used in the Middle Eastern cuisine? Pita bread. C is the correct answer. So yesterday we did this nicely. Exercise B, match the following. We did some vitamins C, B, E, A and K, right? So I hope you all have done this exercise and completed it. Identify the cuisines. Yesterday we discussed these cuisines. ये कहाँ से आए और कैसे बनते हैं? For example, pasta. Pasta is from Italy. It's an Italian dish, Italian cuisine. You can check your answers here. I have written in the small box. Answer D is the correct answer for pasta. The next is sushi. Sushi is a Japanese cuisine. Chow mein. Yes, very right. Chinese. Biryani is Mughlai, our favorite. And last, nachos and salsa, Mexican cuisine. So yesterday this slide was our last slide about this nachos and salsa. So let's do exercise D. Identify the desserts from their pictures and place of origin. खाने के बाद हम सब स्वीट डिश खाते हैं. आई नो आप सबको डेजर्ट्स, चॉकलेट्स, केक्स बहुत पसंद होंगे. सो दीज आर सम फेमस डेजर्ट्स फ्रॉम डिफरेंट प्लेसेस. तो हमें ये बताना है कि ये पर्टिकुलर डेजर्ट कहाँ से है, राइट? सो फर्स्ट इज़ वी कॉल इट, ये जो फर्स्ट वाला है, द फर्स्ट वन इज़ फ्रॉम स्पेन. This dessert is from Spain, right? And the name of the dessert is churros. 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 See the slide. Churros, a sweet snack from Spain. It's a very crispy dessert and a sweet one. Yes. And a lot of people pour chocolate sauce on it and then they eat. A famous dessert from Spain called churros. So you can write number 4. Number 4. Churros, you can write the spelling, children. You must write the spelling properly. CHURROS. The next one. Turkey. अब टर्की में कौन सा डेजर्ट है? राइट, टर्की में बकलावा. बकलावा इज द नेम ऑफ द डेजर्ट. Oh, the slide is not correct, but I can tell you this here. Baklava is a rich dessert, and this dessert, it's a crispy one again with the layers of pastries, right? जैसे आप इंडियन स्नैक में पैटी खाते हैं, इट्स अ स्वीट पैटी. यू कैन से इट्स अ स्वीट पैटी. हमारे इंडिया में वेजिटेबल पैटी में वेजिटेबल्स और मे बी आलू पैटी, पनीर पैटी, बट दिस इज़ अ टर्की डेजर्ट कॉल्ड बकलावा, फिल्ड विद नट्स, जैगरीज एक्सेट्रा. राइट, इसके बीच में सब ड्राई फ्रूट्स होते हैं, एंड एब्सोल्युटली स्वीट एंड क्रिस्पी. We call it baklava. Baklava from Turkey. The next, Belgium. Wow, वहाँ पर क्या फेमस है? The best and famous dessert is waffle. Is a dish made from dough and belongs to Belgium. एक प्रॉपर डो से ये डिश बनती है. इसका अलग से एक फ्रेम आता है जिसमें ये बनती है, एंड वी आर सपोज टू सर्व दिस डिश विद फ्रूट्स, स्ट्रॉबेरीज, बेरीज, बेसिकली बेरीज, नॉट एवरी फ्रूट बट बेसिकली बेरीज, राइट, ब्लैकबेरीज, स्ट्रॉबेरीज एक्सेट्रा, एंड यू कैन पोर अगेन हनी एंड सॉस ऑन इट. सो दिस फेमस डेजर्ट कॉल्ड waffle, and origin is Belgium. Belgium is the origin. So you can write the spelling WAFFLE, waffle. The last one. What happened? I'm sorry. Yeah, the last one is from France. From France. Okay. And the name is, last one of course, macarons. It's a colorful dish, children. Let me just show you the slide. See this. It's a sweet and colorful dish from France. It really looks tempting and very tasty. It is again sweet and comes in different colors. Yes, so we call it macarons. Macarons is the correct answer. So please write macarons. Last जो नंबर है 5, वहाँ पर आप नीचे लिखेंगे MACARON, macaron. So I am repeating this exercise again. Churros from Spain, baklava, Turkey. Baklava is a dessert from Turkey. Waffle, Belgium. आप अगर वहाँ जाएंगे बेल्जियम तो आपको वहाँ पर बहुत वैरायटी के वॉफल्स खाने को मिलेंगे. ओरिजिन इज़ फ्रॉम बेल्जियम. ओरिजिन मतलब, ओरिजिन मीन्स चिल्ड्रन जहाँ से वो डिश आई है, जहाँ की वो फेमस है, जहाँ वो बनती है. वॉफल्स हमें इंडिया में भी मिलते हैं, बट दिस डेजर्ट इज़ बेसिकली फ्रॉम बेल्जियम. ओरिजिन इज़ द बेस. करेक्ट? Okay, the last one is macarons from France. Macarons from France. Baklava, waffle and macarons from France. All right. So this is the correct answer sheet. You can write it and tally from here. Now this. Yes, a very important one. The last exercise, exercise E. Read the clues and identify the state or union territory to which the following dishes belong. इस एक्सरसाइज में हमें क्लूज़ दिए गए हैं, डिशेस के नेम्स क्लूज़ के साथ हैं और इस पज़ल बॉक्स में हमें उस स्टेट या यूनियन टेरिटरी का नाम ढूंढना है कि कहाँ से वो डिश बिलोंग करती है. ओके, फाइंड देयर नेम्स इन द वर्ड ग्रिड. दिस इज़ अ वर्ड ग्रिड. You all must be knowing about word grid, and I'm sure you must be aware of doing this word grid. So the first is tabak mas is a dish made from lamb ribs. It is popular in tabak mas. ये dish जो होती है वो लैम्ब की रिब्स, लैम्ब की बोन्स के साथ बनती है. And you can write the name of the place is Kashmir. Children, the name of the state is Kashmir. So I want to tell you something, that I have done this exercise for you, but again I request, please do this on your own and then tally from mine answers. Am I clear? Am I clear, children? So the first one is tabak maza. Tabak mas is a dish made from lamb and it is popular in Kashmir is the answer. Kashmir. Right? Okay. The next one. Sarson da saag is made from mustard leaves and is popular in, we all know, Punjab. So you need to find out Punjab in this word grid. The second answer is Punjab. The third, avial is a curry made with vegetables, curd and coconut. It is eaten in Kerala. It is a coconut based dish, so Kerala. Avial is a curry. It is a curry made with vegetables, curd and coconut, and it is eaten in Kerala. So you need to find out Kerala. The fourth, Tungatap is a dry fish. It is a name of a dry fish paste or chutney from Meghalaya. Meghalaya is a correct state. Meghalaya is a place जहाँ पर ये fish, ये dry fish पाई जाती है. Okay? Are you all writing it? Please write it and later you can mark, you can find out. Okay? Dabeli is a snack made with boiled potatoes, spices and turmeric paste. Dabeli is popular in Gujarat. It is a Gujarati dish. I myself have made this dish and it has come out really well and taste is yummy. Yummy is the word. So dabeli is from Gujarat. Okay? And the last is thekwa. Thekwa is a sweet snack made from wheat flour and jaggery. It is popular in Bihar. आटा और गुड़ से बनती है ये और इट्स अ स्वीट स्नैक कॉल्ड थेकुआ और ये कहाँ पाया जाता है? बिहार में. तो आपको इन सब स्टेट्स के नाम इस वर्ड ग्रिड में ढूंढने हैं और मार्क करने हैं. लेट मी जस्ट रिपीट इट अगेन. नंबर 1, तबक मास इज़ कश्मीर. सरसों दा साग पंजाब. अवियल केरला. तुंगताप मेघालय. दाबेली गुजरात. एंड लास्ट थेकुआ फ्रॉम बिहार. There's something wrong in this. Give me a second, children. Yes. So you can see I have marked all the answers nicely and correctly. So please do it on your own and check from here. Okay? Great. So now, kids' healthy eating plate. We discussed food, we discussed different dishes, we discussed desserts and cuisines, but we must know that eating a healthy diet is very important for all of us. So we should add vegetables, whole grains, fruits, healthy protein. हम सबको ये सब बोलते हैं कि हमें अच्छा खाना खाना चाहिए, हेल्दी खाना चाहिए, न्यूट्रिशियस खाना चाहिए, पर बच्चे भी तो बोर हो जाते हैं ना. इसीलिए मैं आपके लिए लाई हूँ डिफरेंट वैरायटी. यू कैन हैव हेल्दी फूड चिल्ड्रन, एंड हेल्दी फूड कैन ऑल्सो बी वेरी टेम्पटिंग. या सी दिस, it has rice and vegetables and greens and reds, very healthy. So we can decorate our food, we can make our healthy food tempting. See more, this is a pasta is a junk food, but we can have wheat pasta with lot of vegetables. देखा आपने कैसे हमने जंक फूड को हेल्दी फूड में कन्वर्ट किया. या So, parents, please make healthy and tempting, most important, tempting food for my little ones. खाना अगर बोर लगेगा तो बिल्कुल नहीं अच्छा लगेगा, right? Food should be tempting and delicious. Yeah? So, children can have everything but with lot of nutrients. You just can't skip to all the time burgers, pizzas, patties. No, there is no healthy ingredient in that. But yes, make them healthy. Make it healthy. Just see the variations. आप बर्गर को हेल्दी कैसे बना सकते हो? You know, there are a lot of things जिससे आप बर्गर को हेल्दी बना सकते हो. So बच्चों, अच्छा खाना खाना है. Okay? चाउमीन खाइए, but with vegetables. And that too once in a month. ऐसा नहीं है मैम ने कहा है चाउमीन खाना है तो रोज़ खाना है. No. See, this drawing is made by one of my student. Eat healthy. I taught him how to eat healthy food, and he sent me this drawing. Carrot, tomatoes, spinach, radish, all vegetables are here, and they are telling us eat healthy, eat us. So eat healthy, stay healthy and stay fit. Have a nice weekend, my children. I love you all and enjoy your Raksha Bandhan. Happy Rakhi to all of you. I will see you soon. Till then, you take care and enjoy the festival. All right, bye bye.